how to fix can't send friend request on Facebook. So all you have to do is to first and foremost make sure that you're connected to a strong internet, because that might be the problem. Now, the other reason why there might be some reason behind why you can send a friend request on Facebook, and that is because that person might have restricted or blocked you. That's why you can't find or you cannot send a friend request. If it still doesn't work that way, then what you can do is you can go here to your settings, then go to your general, and then go to iPhone storage and simply look for Facebook to fix. Now here, you have to offload the application. Basically, you have to refresh the application and reinstall it again. So don't worry, even if you reinstall the application, those information, those accounts are still intact there. It's just simply restarting the application, cleaning the application, and basically if you're done with that, you will be able to fix the can't send friend request on Facebook problem. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.